Day 13 of the Great Lock-In Challenge, and I want to teach y'all a lesson. Y'all heard that? It's called silence. Y'all know what it is, just a single mom that's a serial entrepreneur faithing until she make it. God has really been teaching me how to be quiet in this season. Not because I have nothing to say, but because sometimes silence is a strategy. Not every move needs to be posted, not every battle needs a response, and not everyone deserves access to your process. The Bible says in Exodus 14:14, the Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. And that hit me deep. Because being still doesn't mean you're defenseless. It just means you're letting God fight for you. So here's your reminder, you're not losing the battle. Just sit back and watch him move. Don't forget to join my Faith Forward group for daily prayers on IG and Facebook. And if you need an accountability planner to get in your bag, it's perfect for you. And I'm running a $68 sale on my tax software where you get access to my tax academy and learn how to grow and scale your business. All links in the bio. I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, and don't forget to check out my podcast, Here's the Truth, on YouTube.